In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so let's get started. The very first thing you will have to do will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset the calculator, you press second button, then this plus button. Reset is option 7. Alright, then you reset all RAM. When you get here, press 1 for all RAM, then press 2 to reset all RAM. Okay, and it will begin to reset all RAM. It's done. Press this clear button. Okay, now to solve this question, you will need to store a number. Guys, you are free to make use of any number you want to solve this. Alright, but I recommend that you should be storing 2. So we're going to store 2 on this calculator. So to store 2 on the calculator, press the value first, press the store button, then press, we want to store it as X, press this button for X, then press enter, and it will indicate that this value 2 has been stored. So let's use this 2 to simplify or evaluate this question. Alright, that's the idea. At the same time, we're going to use this 2 as well to evaluate the options to get the value that we rhyme with what we're going to get from the evaluation of the question. So let's do it, guys. Very, very simple. So the question, we have it in bracket 3x. You press this value for x to come out. Okay, square, you close the bracket, then to the power of 4. You press this value for power function, then 4. That's it, guys. Press enter button to get the output. So we have it to be 20,736. So right now let's evaluate the options. Anyone that gives us this value 20,736 will be the answer. So let's begin with this option F here. Okay, so let's remove this. So we have option F is 81x to the power 8. So that's it, guys. Let's press enter to see if we're going to get the right output. 20,736 exactly. So the correct option here is option F. This is basically how you can solve this kind of ACT math question easily and fast for your multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting in this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've taught in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Alright, guys, so that is for this video. Now click on the screen above, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to reset the calculator once you're done. You press second plus button, press 7, press 1, and press 2. Alright, so that's it.